Welcome to the Visual Thesaurus. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pop-up menus that appear on the Visual Thesaurus when you right-click or control-click if you're on a Mac. This is especially helpful if you want to search other databases or if you want to pronounce a word that's in the word map. Let's go ahead and get started by looking up a word. Let's look up the word machine. Now, if I'm looking up the word machine for my science class, I'm probably learning about levers and pulleys and inclined planes. I probably don't need all of these definitions in the word map, so let's go ahead and eliminate them. I can do that by rolling my mouse over a circle and seeing the definition. I probably don't want to use this definition in my word map, so right-click and click on Hide Selection. I can do this for as many parts of the word map as I want until I find the definition that I want. So here is simple machine. Now this seems like what I may want. Now let's see what happens when I right-click. I have the option to expand the selection, and when I do that, the word map extends itself, and I can now see all these different types of machines. And here I can see my levers and my pulleys. So let's go ahead and make that go in the center. Now I can see all the different types of simple machines, which I can see by rolling my mouse over the perforated lines. Now what happens when I right-click on a word? When you right-click on a word, a big menu shows up, and I have all these different options. Let's start at the bottom. I can pronounce the word
lever.
Visual Thesaurus pronounces all the words in the English dictionary. I can also freeze the word. This allows me to click and drag the word, and it won't move back unless I click on it and drag it again. Next, I can hide the selection, which I've already shown you how to do. And above that, I have 4 different search options. I can search the Chicago Sun-Times, the New York Times, Pics4Learning, and Wikipedia. The Visual Thesaurus can actually connect to and search other web-based databases. Those options are actually customizable, so it's a great way to direct your students to the resources that you already know and trust. So Visual Thesaurus is not just a dictionary and thesaurus, it's also a research platform. So if you don't see your preferred search engine or database, contact your Visual Thesaurus administrator. And finally, you can make the word go into the center of the screen. And that's how you use the pop-up menus on the Visual Thesaurus. Thanks for tuning in.